Welcome to the exciting world of landscaping and property maintenance. In this lesson, we'll explore why this industry is thriving, the services you can offer, and how you can carve out your niche to build a successful business. Did you know? The landscaping industry generates over $100 billion annually in the US alone. With a growing focus on eco-friendly spaces and urban development, the demand for landscaping professionals has never been higher. Landscaping isn't just about cutting grass. You can offer a range of services like residential lawn care and garden design, commercial groundskeeping for businesses and HOAs, specialized solutions such as eco-friendly landscaping using native plants. Trends like sustainable landscaping and multi-seasonal services like snow removal in winter make this industry versatile and profitable year-round. Ready to get started? Take a moment to reflect. What services resonate most with you? Residential design, commercial groundskeeping, or maybe eco-friendly solutions? Write down 3 services you'd like to focus on. Landscaping is more than just work. It's about creativity, problem-solving, and helping others love their outdoor spaces. Let's lay the foundation for your success. Stay tuned for our next lesson, where we'll cover the essential skills and tools you need to get started in this rewarding industry.